side. Uh, so, and we have big motion pictures which has been launched. AdLabs has launched global distribution. So we are there virtually in every space where anyone in the world can be. So anytime, anywhere, any place, anyhow, we want to reach out to you, and most importantly, and this is we want to take this forward in a partnership mode. We want to partner our friends and colleagues from the various entertainment businesses and increase the complete part of the Reliance ADAG group. Our people who any entertainment product or service is as good as its created. We have a very interesting demo.
Thank you, Mr. Amit Khanna. It is obvious.
That will take 1 to 1.
Hello, good afternoon to all of you. This is Vijay Shankar speaking. Where the question is to the CEO. You had mentioned that you have already 1,000 movies in your library now, and you're going to have an additional of 1,000 more. What is the process of selection or elimination of movies? How do you go about it?
No, we want to, our goal is to have all the movies that Indian cinema has produced to be on this platform. At the end of the day, it's about giving consumer a choice. So as of now, the only sort of constraint in getting more and more movies is, one, the effort to digitize and put it, and the second is commercial range. So we are in talks with the whole movie fraternity, and our goal is to have whole of movie catalog.
So does that include flop movies also? Because there are some movies which do not click well, but they are really good movies.
Absolutely. In our world, there is no flop movie. Some movies work on theaters, we've seen, and some movies work so well on DVDs. Some movies are meant for private viewing. We don't know. We don't recognize this word. There are different
packages that you're looking at. And the second thing is that in India, there is a war going on in terms of prices of home video. So do you see that impacting the rental business in any way? Or will the rental companies have to come out with different options?